Hello from Valakampiai Nudist Beach. This is the only official nudist beach in Vilnius, and it's located very close to the public beach Valakampiai II. That's around 400 meters away from here through the forest. So now it is 4:30 p.m. on this 21st of September 2024, and currently the beach is under shadow as it is facing north, and it has sun early in the morning and probably later in the afternoon, in the evening, but not really sure as now it is 4:30 p.m. but the sun sets here around 7:30, and it might come some sun here later, but questionable, maybe during the summer months. And the beach is located on the river Neris in the beautiful nature, and it is my fourth beach adventure for today, but the first nudist beach that I'm showing you in Lithuania, in Vilnius. So yes, the beach looks quite amazing with super sandy beach here, and the river itself, it's super clean as it has 3 out of 3 stars for quality and cleanliness of water. So yeah, let's then get going and take a swim here in Valakampiai Nudist Beach. And yes, beach adventure with Chris from Vilnius, Lithuania. Now I caught the final sun here and on the beach right where I'm filming, but there is a bit more sun in the water, as you can see. So let's then get going and take a swim here on this nudist beach. All right, so beach adventures with Chris from Lithuania, and the first nudist beach I'm visiting. So yeah, let's then get going and dive in here. So the bottom here is quite interesting and with very soft sand. And it's very shallow in here, so not really sure if it gets deeper than this, but let's then take a swim here at Valakampiai Nudist Beach. You see, it's sunny here in the river Neris, so let's go. Oh, it is quite interesting and nice, and very shallow as well. But yeah, you can basically also pass to the other side, I think, without, because it is a bit shallow indeed. So yes, Valakampiai Nudist Beach. This is on the river Neris in Vilnius, Lithuania. So yes, I have then visited all the 4 beaches known here in Vilnius on the river Neris. Now I need to see if I have time to go to one lake that's also close by in Vilnius, but it is getting also late in the afternoon. But yes, cool. That's a wrap for now from Valakampiai Nudist Beach here in Vilnius, Lithuania. Thank you so much for watching this episode with me, and I'm gonna see you soon again with another beach adventure on the channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.